Well, fellas, we've made it to Marysville. We're here at Fraga's, had a beautiful lunch. Had a great ride down, Lewis. That bike, the engine on my 1000cc, amazing engine. The torque that it's got is phenomenal. Yourself, Dave?
Yeah,
the 650?
I had a lot of fun. The 650's got so much power out of the corners,
Yep.
very smooth, and I enjoyed every bit of that.
A real comfortable ride. Why is that, Lewis?
That's the V-twin characteristic. They develop a lot of low-end torque, so they're not a screaming engine, and it's really comfortable.
Talking to a dirt bike guy, though, we have one cylinder. What does V-twin got to do with it all?
It allows you to have a narrow engine instead of a wide engine.
Oh, right.
So your cornering is good, and then also the V-twin characteristic allows it to develop and tune it for more bottom-end powers.
You know, some of those corners was actually really cool fun because you could lay it down and you could still hang on with your knees, do a bit of dirt bike stuff as you go around. Good fun bikes. The other thing about this bike is the fuel range. I've used bugger all fuel. We've done 120 k's so far.
Look, they're only just sipping away at it lightly at the moment, so we've
Yeah.
still got a bit of a ride ahead of us, but with the current fuel economy out of these bikes, we won't need to fill up at all.
Really?
There's no fuel stations out there, so we're going to trust me on it.
I'm not pushing it, mate. Straight to the side of the road,
Yep.
hitchhike. I'm going home.
Yeah.
Your bike's got the panniers. Do you notice a big difference with the panniers?
Not at all. I actually forget that they're on until I get off the bike and have a look and I go, oh,
Yeah.
I've got these on, and I didn't even know it. Like, the bike is so well balanced.
And the brakes. How good are the front brakes on that thing? It just pulls up so well.
Yeah, the brakes on the V-STROM 1000, they're off a previous generation GSXR, so they're radial mount brake calipers. Yeah, they're ABS as well for safety. These bikes have come a long way. They're certainly a lot better handling and a lot better braking and much better power.
I did notice when I wrapped it on, the bike and the traction control lead light did come on and just sort of retards the bike a little bit, which is a good thing for riders like us that are maybe a bit heavy on the throttle every now and again.
I leave it in one, and even though it's a bright sunny day out here today, it's there for more of a peace of mind. Like, some people think traction control, you hear about it on a lot of the sports bikes. That's obviously when you're accelerating and really trying to brake traction. When we get up this next stint here, you'll be able to play around with it, running through from traction control 2, 1 or off, particularly on the dirt, and you'll get a real good feel of it, actually how sophisticated the system works and actually how it makes you ride faster through the corner.
That's what we like, eh? Don't wait for the dirt.
That's it.
Well, we need the adventure to continue. Where are we off to next, Lewis?
So from here, we head out to Woods Point and then up to Kevington. So we've got a bit of a stint ahead of us, but it's, you know, a couple of more hours there. But we're pretty well out in the wilderness, and it'll be good fun.